Good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us on this Sunday. I'm Lindsay Davis. We begin tonight with the increasingly desperate situation in COVID hotspots across the country and the fears of a fourth wave. Frontline medical workers in Michigan tell us the virus is spreading like wildfire there. Hospitals filling up, some patients facing 8 to 10-hour wait times. The state's governor begging the federal government again for more vaccines. At the same time, the U.S. has just hit a record number of vaccinations in a single day. More than 4.6 million shots reported on Saturday alone. And by the end of this coming week, 42 states will have opened eligibility to everyone 16 and over. But the pace of vaccinations could be slowed with the supply of Johnson & Johnson doses plummeting. And health officials warn about an uptick in cases nationwide. ABC's Trevor Ault leads us off tonight from New York.
Tonight, healthcare workers on the front lines in Michigan battling the worst of a new coronavirus surge, saying the virus is spreading like wildfire.
It's breaking our hearts. We're exhausted emotionally.
ICU nurse Kim Stasik telling us Monday was the worst shift of her 15-year career.
I was going room to room to room for all 8 hours, and there was nothing else that I could give them, nothing else that I could do. You just wait and watch and hope that they make it through your shift.
With hospital admissions in the upper Midwest jumping nearly 30% over the past week, north of Detroit, nurse Jeff Morosky says patients are facing wait times of 8 to 10 hours.
How does this compare to the worst of it last year?
I think it's worse. We don't have enough, people to give the care that we need to. Nurses are leaving in droves.
The federal government now sending Michigan more personnel to administer vaccines, though Governor Gretchen Whitmer doubling down that what her state needs is more shots.
When there is a surge, we think that it's important that we rush in to meet where that need is.
And tonight, the country bracing for an 85% drop in the supply of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine this week. A potential speed bump just as a record 4.6 million shots were reported on Saturday.
Last week, we got around 20,000 doses. This next week, we're only getting about 2,500 doses.
And health officials say in that wait for the vaccine, younger adults are getting infected. Like New York's Alfredo Hercules, an active, healthy 39-year-old now reunited with his family after 72 days in the hospital.
This is the second chance, and I'm not going to waste it.
Grateful for that second chance. Trevor Ault joins us now from a mass vaccination site here in New York City. And Trevor, there's a new study that raises concerns about the effectiveness of the Pfizer vaccine against one of the concerning virus variants. Tell us more about that.
Well, Lindsay, this study's out of Israel, and it found that among people vaccinated by Pfizer, the South African variant may be more likely to break through and infect people than the UK variant, though it is worth noting these breakthrough infections are still rare overall. Lindsay?
Trevor, our thanks to you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.